Hey guys, welcome back to Cubin Fever. And I know it has been a while since I've uploaded. It's been 3 weeks, but now I'm back and making videos. So in this video, I will be sharing the advanced keyhole techniques that you can incorporate into your daily solves to make your F2L more efficient. I personally use the methods I'm going to show you in my own solves, and I noticed that it has made me a lot faster. And make sure to watch until the end of the video so you can get the most benefit from this video and you can improve your time as well. So keyhole is a technique which is used in advanced F2L and can make your F2L more efficient. And what it does is it takes advantage of an already solved edge piece like this one, the red and green edge right here, and it allows you to insert the corner that corresponds to that F2L pair without actually taking the edge out. So if we were going to do this the regular way, we would take it out, which disturbs this piece. But using keyhole, there is no need to disturb this piece, and this makes it more efficient. So now let's get into how we actually do this. So we have this corner right here, and we want it to go over here so we can complete this pairs, right? Now, we don't have to use regular F2L, as that is way too inefficient for this case. We can use keyhole. So our goal is to bring this corner right here without disturbing this edge piece. So a way we could do it is to look at a corner that has not already been solved. So all of these have not already been solved. So let's use this one. So all you do is you find where it needs to go. So we want to bring this corner right here and we move it to the right. And what you can do here is, now that it's moved here, there is no F2L pair right here, so we don't have to worry about anything getting mixed up or disturbed. We take this corner and we insert it like this. So now we're completing that pair. We're just bringing it to the right and we're inserting this corner right here. And now when we move it back, we have the solved pair. And just like that, you can do it for any other case. Let's say I have, so right here I have a blue and red already solved edge, and I need to find the corner, and it's right here, right? So in this case, what you could do is this is already solved, so we don't want to bring it like that, or we will mess up that F2L pair already solved. We can use this corner because it is not solved. There's nothing here, and we can use this one. So how can we bring this corner here without bothering this piece? So what you could do is, if you were to do this, then you would bother this edge piece, right? So what you could do is you could make it so this white is facing to the right, and you can bring this right here where there is no solved corner, put it in like this, and you have a solved pair. As easy as that. And now you can continue with your F2L. So now let's take a look at a more realistic example. So let's say you've already done 2 of your F2L pairs and you still have 2 more left. So we have one unsolved corner here and we are looking to fill. No, we have one unsolved corner right here and we're looking to fill the spot. So we have the corner right here and we want this corner to go here, but we don't want to disturb this piece as it'll be way too inefficient. So all you do is you find the unsolved corner and we want to focus right here. So that is our focus spot. And we look at this unsolved corner and you bring it toward that corner right there. So that is the corner you want to bring it to. And what you could do for that is you can just bring this layer like this. And now we want to insert it here, right? So we can just insert it like that. And now it's solved. Now we're done with that pair. So to summarize, we identify one corner and which spot we want to put it in. So we have this corner right here and I want to put it in this spot right here, right? And then we identify another unsolved corner. So this is unsolved, but we want to look for another unsolved corner. So we have one right here in the back. So now what we do is you move the middle layer and that gives us all we need. So now we insert the corner as normal, like that. And when you move it back, you will have solved the one in the back. So now let me show you a possible case that is a bit harder to solve with Keyhole. So yes, you might have guessed it. We have the edge solved, but the corner is trapped right here. So what we can do is we can look to find an unsolved corner. So we have, this is unsolved, this is unsolved, this is solved. We have that F2L pair right here. So we need to look for an unsolved corner. So let's use this one. So what you would do in this case is, if you were to use regular F2L, then it would take a lot of moves. So what you can do instead is you can take out the corner by moving it here to this corner and taking it out. Now bring it back. So now we have the corner on top, and what you can do now is you can insert the corner and solve the F2L pair just like that. And we can move on to the other slots now. So now I will show you some other cases, and this time the corner is solved and the edge has to be solved this time. So assuming the corner is solved and we have the edge that's necessary to fill in this spot, most people, what they would do is they would orient it like this and then solve it like that. However, that is not efficient at all. I'll be showing you a much better way to do this. So all you do is, if you ever see a case like this where the corner is solved and you have the edge necessary to solve this spot right here, you want to orient it wrongly. So what would you normally do? You would put the orange and blue edge on top of whichever color is right here. So here in this case the blue is right here, so we'll line up this edge on top of the blue. However, using the keyhole method, you will orient it on top of the orange, which is the opposite way. So instead of orienting it right here, we misorient it like that. Okay, and then we look for an unsolved corner. So this one is solved, so we're looking for an unsolved corner, and we bring it right below. It doesn't matter, any unsolved corner, and we bring it right below, and this serves as the keyhole. And this is what we need to put right here. And it's very easy. All you do is you do these three moves and you've solved that pair. We'll line up this edge on top of the blue. However, using the keyhole method, you will orient it on top of the orange, which is the opposite way. So instead of orienting it right here, we misorient it like that. Okay, and then we look for an unsolved corner. So this one is solved, so we're looking for an unsolved corner, and we bring it right below. It doesn't matter, any unsolved corner, and we bring it right below, and this serves as the keyhole. And this is what we need to put right here. And it's very easy. All you do is you do these three moves and you've solved that pair. So let's look at another example. We have our solved corner right here, and we have the edge right here. Now this edge is oriented just right for the keyhole method. So usually what we would do is we would see what color is here that faces you, and we would orient it to that color. So we have this line like this. However, with the keyhole, we would misorient it on purpose like this. We would orient it with whatever color is on the top. And we look for an unsolved corner. So we have one right here. We use the D layer to bring it right under where the edge needs to go. Then, since this is the left side, we do the opposite insert moves, and then we can solve it like that. So those were some of the cases used in keyhole method and the keyhole technique for Advanced F2L. So please give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you would like a part 2, let me know in the comments, as there's a lot you can do with keyhole, and you can do much more than I showed you in this video. And you should definitely use keyhole in your solves. Well, the only thing that might be a disadvantage is that it might be a bit harder to look ahead with keyhole. However, with practice you can improve your time, and the keyhole is very efficient compared to regular F2L. So let me know guys if this video helped you out, and make sure to subscribe for free cookies. Thank you.